In this video, you'll learn how to add a navigation menu in WordPress. This process involves several straightforward steps that will help you enhance the usability of your website. Begin by navigating to the WordPress site management area. Open your web browser and enter the URL for wordpress.com. This action will direct you to the main site where you can manage your WordPress accounts. Once the page loads, look for the option labeled Sites in the main navigation menu. This is typically located on the left side of the screen. Click on Sites to proceed to the next step. After that, you will see a list of your existing sites. Choose the site for which you want to add a navigation menu. This selection will take you to the management dashboard for that specific site. Next, locate the button that says Finish Setup. Clicking this button will finalize any previous configurations and lead you to the site editor. Wait for the page to refresh and ensure that all changes are saved. Once this appears, look for a button or option to close any setup prompts that may be displayed. This action will allow you to access the full site editing interface without any interruptions. After closing the setup prompts, you will see a plus icon within the editor. Click on this icon to open the available options for adding new elements to your site. At this point, you should see a search bar in the menu that opens. Click on the search bar and type in the word navigation. This search will help you find the navigation menu. When the search results appear, look for the option labeled Navigation. Click on this option to begin adding the navigation menu to your website. This will typically open a configuration screen where you can customize your menu. Once you've clicked on navigation, you may be prompted to set up your menu items. Ensure that you organize the menu items in a way that is intuitive for your visitors. This step is crucial for improving site navigation and user experience. After configuring your navigation menu, make sure to save your changes. Look for a save button or similar confirmation option. This action will ensure that all your modifications are applied effectively. That completes the process of adding a navigation menu in WordPress. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.